fast forward to 2020, we all have our strides and struggles and pain points from that year and those couple years. The rec center we were in, it was difficult to stay really in business because I was at the mercy of the city, whether we were open, closed during those times. That's kind of when I was like, well, I might be ready to go back to having my own place where I can kind of call the shots a little more. My kids were not babies anymore, still young, still a lot, but I was already thinking like, all right, I'm ready to expand again and have my own place. And around the same time, this franchise opportunity popped up. I thought, where has this been all my life? I was so excited. I immediately called my mom. I'm like, come look at this presentation. Look at this. Look at this. Everything's done. What your walls are going to be, and you're going to use this curriculum. Just, it's all done. And it's so exciting. And what a fresh start. That's what I needed. And I think any studio owner who made it on the other side of COVID, congratulations. That in itself will be like, put it on my tombstone. Forward to we signed our lease in 2021, April, opened in August of 21. So we're about to go into our 5th year as a Twinkle Star Dance franchise. I opened in my hometown, which has been great because I can still be very active with, taking my children to and from school. And after we hop off this, I'm going to my daughter's school to watch her play. So it's worked out really well.